Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are now required to express the following word statements algebraically. So let's start by looking at part 1. Multiply the sum of A and D by U. That means we are going to, if I want to multiply then it will be the sum multiplied by U. Alright, sum means plus, and therefore you will see the answer. I'm going to draw the sum is C plus D multiplied by U, and do take note, since U is just by itself, we usually write the U first, followed by the bracket C plus D. And now subtract the quotient. Part B is subtract the quotient. Subtract means minus. The quotient of A divided by B from the cube of V. So what does this mean? Quotient of A divided by B, A over B, and V cube. Cube of V is V power 3. And so we are going to subtract A over B from V power 3, V cube. Which one comes first? From V power 3. That means V power 3 is the starting point. Alright, let me pause. And therefore, V power 3 minus my A over B, the quotient of A over B. Alright. Now, part 3. Subtract again. The product of m and 2n, m and 2m, product of m and 2m is 2 times 2n times mn, which is 2mn, from the square of m, which is m power 2. Again, we look at where is the word from, and therefore we know which one is the starting point. Yep, from m square. M square will be the starting point minus my 2mn. And we have move on to the last part. And for the last part, do take note. I'm going to add in a word. Add the cube of R to the quotient of 12s divided by 4t. Alright, so the very first thing is, of course, we need to make sure that we know what operations there is. We add, and there is a cube of r, meaning r to the power of 3. And after that, we are going to add this r to the power of 3 to the quotient of 12s divided by 4t, which is 12s over 4t. And 12. Can we divide 12 by 4? Yes, we can. Divide by 4, left 3. Divide by 4, left 1. And therefore, the answer to this question would then be r power 3 add to 3s over t. And we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.